everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Mexican hobo casserole. What all goes into the Mexican hobo casserole? 2 pounds lean ground beef, 1 14-ounce can refried beans with mild green chilies, divided. This is a 16-ounce can. 3 2/3 cup southwestern black bean and corn salsa, divided. 19-ounce can of black beans. This is only a 15 1/4 ounce. 6 to 7 slices of Monterey Jack jalapeno cheese or pepper jack. 2 cups cooked basmati rice. 340-gram bag of corn chips. All I have is 262 gram. So let's begin. So I'm going to cook the rice. I've got 2 cups of water in my pot. I'm going to bring it up to a boil with a tight lid on it. So it is boiling. Put in your rice. This is a cup full of rice. I soaked it for 15 minutes. That will help elongate the rice. And then I rinsed it twice. Put the lid back on and turn it down to simmer. Then let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until all of the liquid is absorbed. All right, so the rice, there is no liquid left. So just fluff it up with a fork. Set that aside for now. Preheat the oven to 350. To make the base of the casserole, take your 2 pounds of ground beef and make sure it's lean. Put it in the bowl. 2nd pound of ground beef. Then add a 1/2 cup of the refried beans with the green chilies and the 2/3 cup of the black bean and corn salsa. And mix that together. I'm going to use my clean hands. I took off my ring. I'm going to just mix this together. If you remember a little while back, I did make a hobo casserole. So this is kind of the Mexican version of it. And then press it down. Then take your rinsed and drained black beans, dump them in another bowl. And then dump in your other half of the refried beans. And 1 cup of the black bean and corn salsa. And mix that up completely. Then spread that on top of the ground beef mix. Then take the 2 cups of rice and spread that on top of the bean mixture. Then take your pepper jack slices and 6 to 7 of those slices put on covering the rice. Then take the remaining 2 cups of salsa and spread it on top of the cheese. So take a piece of foil, or if you have a lid, cover it. I sprayed my foil so the salsa will not stick to it. So put your Mexican hobo casserole in a preheated 350-degree oven for 75 minutes. So it's been 75 minutes. Take off the aluminum foil. Then put the Fritos on top. Put this back in the oven for 5 to 10 more minutes. So after the 10 minutes, I took it out of the oven. We need to let it sit for a few minutes and then I can dish it up and Dave can do a taste test. So here is a Mexican hobo casserole, and rounding out the meal is everything bagel salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming this is what I'm trying?
Correct. Mexican hobo casserole. Oh, by the way, it's hot.
That's good. That's pretty tasty. I like that a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.